Have you ever considered changing the audio of your YouTube video even after uploading it? Whether you're dealing with a music copyright claim on your video or simply want to enhance it with new audio without losing views, this video is tailored for you. YouTube's video editor provides an audio library that allows you to seamlessly add or replace audio in your uploaded videos. In this video, I'll walk you through using the built-in YouTube video editor to modify the audio of your YouTube videos post-upload. To initiate audio changes for a specific uploaded video using YouTube's video editor, start by signing into your channel's studio page and navigating to the content option on the left sidebar. Once you're in the content section, you'll see a list of all your uploaded videos. Suppose you want to alter the background music for a particular video. Hover over the video and click on the edit icon, which resembles a pencil. This will take you to the video editing interface. From there, select the editor option on the left sidebar. You'll now be directed to the video editor interface where you can commence adding or replacing audio. On the left side, you'll find features such as trim and cut, blur, and below that, the audio feature, which we'll focus on in this video. You can also manage your end screens and cards from this interface. Beneath the features, you'll find the video timeline. Suppose you realize post-upload that your video lacks background music. Simply click on the audio feature and the YouTube audio library will open. Here you can search or filter the library for suitable music tracks that complement your video. The library offers numerous royalty-free tracks that you can preview by hovering over them and clicking the play button. You can also observe the duration of each track. To add a specific track, click Add. You can add multiple tracks to a single video, arranging them on the timeline as desired. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, click Save. After saving, confirm the changes by clicking Save again. It may take some time for the changes to process, but after a few minutes, your updated video with the new audio will be available on YouTube. That's how simple it is to add audio in your videos, even after uploading them on YouTube. Now, let's look at replacing audio in your videos on YouTube after upload. For this demonstration, let's consider a video with a music copyright claim. Now, if you click on the Video Edit button and then select Editor, you'll be directed to the editing page. However, you won't be able to locate the copyrighted music or specific portions of it here. Instead, what you want to do is navigate back to the video itself. Hover your mouse over the copyright restriction icon and a pop-up will appear. Click on See Details within this pop-up. Upon doing so, another window will appear, displaying the details regarding the copyright claim, including the timestamp of the affected portion. Click on Select Action and explore the available options to edit your video's audio. You can trim out the copyrighted segment or mute the audio entirely. But for our purpose, let's focus on the Replace Song feature. Click Continue to access the detailed interface, where you'll see the YouTube audio library on the left and your video on the right. The copyrighted portion is marked in red on the timeline below. To replace the copyrighted audio segment, search or filter music from the YouTube library, preview it, and click Add to place it on the timeline. Adjust the music on the timeline to replace the copyrighted segment as needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save to apply them. It may take some time for the changes to take effect, but once done, your video will be updated and ready for monetization. If you're seeking effective strategies to grow your YouTube channel this year, consider subscribing for more tips and don't forget to like and share this video.